Good morning to all. Sit in Sukhasana. Hands resting on the knees in Jnana Mudra or Chin Mudra. Sit erect. Close your eyes. Start prayer. Asato ma sadgamaya tamasho ma jyotirgamaya mruchyorma amritangamaya Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat Om Namaha. Slowly deep breathe, inhale, exhale. Slowly deep breathe, inhale, exhale. Relax, open your eyes.
Now we start hand movements. Hand movements help us in relieving the stress and also help us in strengthening the hand muscles. The first movement is fingers clenching movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Exhale, close your fingers covering your thumb. Inhale, release your fingers. Now we repeat this for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Relax. Put your hands down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we move on to wrist bending movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Exhale, bring your palms downwards. Inhale, bring your palms upwards. Now we repeat them for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Relax. Now put your hands down. Now breathe in, breathe out. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. Now we move on to the third movement, wrist rotation movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Fold your fingers and rotate your wrist in clockwise direction. Repeat this for 4 times. Rotate your wrist in clockwise direction for 4 times. Now repeat your wrist in anti-clockwise direction for 4 times. Repeat your wrist in anti-clock direction for 4 times. Relax. Put your hands down. Now slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we switch over to the next movement, elbow bending movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level, palms facing upwards. Exhale, place your fingers to rest on your shoulders. Inhale, release them. Now we repeat this for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Now relax. Put your hands down. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out. Now we start shoulder rotation movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level, palms facing upwards. Exhale, place your fingers to rest on your shoulders. Join your elbows. Inhale, rotate your elbow clockwise to the halfway. Exhale, bring it to normal position. Now we repeat this for 3 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now we do it in anti-clockwise direction. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Relax. Put your hands down slowly. Now breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Dandasana. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we switch over to spinal movements. Spinal movements help us in many ways. This movement massages abdominal organs. It melts cholesterol in the stomach. It helps in weight loss. It also helps and increase body flexibility. The first one is boat rowing, Dandasana. Stretch your legs out and join them. Stretch your hands out forward to your shoulder level and fold your fingers. Now exhale. Bring your upper body forward. Inhale. Bring your upper body backward. Do it like rowing a boat. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. It should be like rowing a boat. Exhale. Inhale. When you come forward, it is exhale. When you go backwards, it's inhale. Do the same in anti-clockwise. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Dandasana. Now slowly inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now we move on to the next movement, Chakki Chalan, Samasthiti. Bring your both legs together. Now leave 3 feet gap between your legs. Leave 3 feet gap between your legs. Bring both your hands out and interlock both the palms. Now inhale, rotate your hands in a clockwise direction, bending your body backwards to the halfway. Exhale, rotate your hands to complete the rotation, bending your body forward. Now do it for 3 times. Inhale, exhale. Don't bend your legs and touch your toes while rotating. Remember, you should not bend your legs, and while rotating, you should touch your toes. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now do it in anti-clockwise. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Dandasana. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now we move on to the next one, spinal twisting movement. The next one is spinal twisting movement, Samasthiti. Join your both legs together. Now leave 3 feet gap between your legs. Leave 3 feet gap between your legs. Stretch your hands sideways to your shoulder level. Now exhale, turn your body to your right side, touching your right toes. Inhale, come to normal position. Exhale, turn your body to the left side, touching your left palm. Inhale, come to the normal position. Now repeat this for 3 times. Exhale, turn right side, touch your toes. Inhale, come to normal position. Exhale, turn left side, touch your palms. Inhale, come to normal position. Exhale, Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Relax. Dandasana. Slowly inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Samasthiti. Let's start Vajrasana. Let us see the benefits of this Vajrasana. This asana improves digestion, and with regular practice, it eliminates constipation. Now let's see the technique of this Vajrasana. Sit in Dandasana. Exhale as you sit back on your legs. Put your hands on your thighs. Put your hands on your thighs, sit erect and close your eyes. Breathe in and out slowly as you position yourself to sit up straight. And relax. Now we switch over to the next asana, which is also called Shashankasana. This is also called rabbit pose. Now see the advantages of this rabbit pose. The abdominal organs and muscles are strengthened. The digestive power is also boosted. The face and brain will get augmented flow of blood. Now let us see the technique of this Shashankasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Straighten the back. Inhale and exhale slowly by raising the arms, keeping them straight. Now exhale and bend forward. The arms, trunk and head should remain in one line. The arms, head and trunk should remain in one line. The forehead and arms should rest on the floor in front of the knees. Relax the whole body. Inhale and exhale slowly. Relax. Now let us switch over to the next one, Ustrasana. This is also called camel pose. Now let's see the benefit of this Ustrasana. It improves digestion, stretches and opens the front of the body. It also strengthens the back and shoulders. Relieves the body of lower back ache. Improves flexibility of the spine and also improves posture. Helps overcome menstrual discomfort. Let us look at the technique of this Ustrasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Your knees should be in line with the shoulders and the sole of your feet should be facing the ceiling. As you inhale, draw your hands onto your back and bend backwards and stay put for some time. Bend backwards and stay put for some time. Relax. Sit in Vajrasana.
Stand on knees, the breathing will start here. Sit in Vajrasana, stand on knees.
And stand on your knees. Now, stretch your hands outside. Bring your left hand holding your left ankle and raise your right hand and look upwards. Relax. Now, bring your right hand back, holding your right ankle, and raise your left hand upwards and look upwards. Relax. Sit Vajrasana. Now stand on knees. Stretch both your hands forward and bring both your hands backward, holding both the ankles and bend backwards. Relax. Hands down. Sit Vajrasana. Relax.
Start.
Now switch over to the next one, Marjalasana. Let's see the benefits of this Marjalasana. It stretches the back, torso and neck. It provides a gentle massage to the spine and belly organs. Now let's see the technique of this Marjalasana. First, sit in Vajrasana. Form the tabletop position. Align the knees directly below your hips. Exhale, round the spine toward the roof. Inhale, now inhale and bring your spine downward and raise your head. Repeat the postures like inhaling and exhaling. While you raise your head upwards, bring your spine downwards. Now exhale. Now inhale and bring your spine downward and raise your head. Relax. Sit Vajrasana. Now stretch your legs out. And bring yourself to Dandasana.
Inhale, exhale.
Inhale and exhale.
Relax.
Relax. Sit in Sukhasana. Please stand up. Now we switch over to Tadasana, Samasthiti. Now let's look at the technique of Tadasana. Raise your hands slowly above your head and interlock your fingers, turning your palms upwards. And inhale, raise your body slowly on your toes. Now exhale, raise your body downwards, touching ground with your feet. Repeat this 3 times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Slowly inhale, exhale. Hands down and relax. Let's start Tiriyak Tadasana. Let's see the technique in Tiryak Tadasana. Raise your hands above your head and interlock your fingers, turning your palm upwards, and exhale and turn your body to your right side. Now breathe in and come to natural position. Now exhale and then turn your body slowly to your left side and breathe in. Now come to natural position. Repeat this for 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Put your hands down slowly. Now relax. Now let's switch over to Parshva Tadasana. Let's look at the technique in Parshva Tadasana. Raise your hands slowly above your head and interlock your fingers, turning your palm upwards, and inhale, exhale. Slowly bend your body to your right side. Now inhale and come to the natural position. Now exhale, bend your body to your left side. Inhale and come to the natural position. Repeat it for 3 times. Exhale, slowly. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Put your hands down slowly and relax. Now let's switch over to Udara Karasana. Let's see the techniques in this posture. First, stretch your arms forward up to shoulder level. Exhale. Turn your body to the right side slowly, touching right shoulder with left hand. Inhale and come to normal position. Now exhale, turn your body to the left side, touching left shoulder with the right hand. Inhale, come to the normal position. Repeat this 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in,
Pranayama, simple pranayama. Sit erect. The hands rest on the knees in Chin Mudra. Sit erect. This is position Prana Mudra. Fold your index finger and middle finger. Remain fingers straight. Using fingers operate nose. Close right nostril. Using right thumb finger. Close left nostril. Operate ring finger and little finger. Start with simple pranayama. Completely close your right nose like this. Slowly inhale. Left side. Exhale. Breathe out slowly. Left side. Do 10 times. Inhale. Exhale. Deep 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 inhale. Exhale. Close left nostril using ring finger and little finger. Open your right nose. Slowly breathe in. Right. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Deep inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, hand down, chin mudra, close your eyes, sit erect, observe your natural breath. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Both nostrils, inhale, exhale. Yogic breath means deep breath, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale.
Let us move on to the next one, Bhramari Pranayama. It is also known as humming bee breath. Let us see the benefits of this posture. Bhramari relieves stress and cerebral tension. It also helps elevating anger, anxiety, and insomnia. Now, sit in a comfortable meditation asana. Close the eyes and relax the whole body for a short time. Put your index fingers in both of your ears and start listening to the humming sound within your body. The humming sound should be smooth, even, and continuous for the duration of the exhalation.
Relax. Prayer, Namaskar Mudra. सर्वेषां स्वस्ति भवतु। ओम सर्वेषां शांति भवतु। ओम सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम तत्सत्। ओम नमः। ओम नमः। అందరికీ నమస్కారం।